Okay, so the second problem refers back to number one. Next year, Caitlin's monthly income will increase by 5%. So uh, her monthly income's going up. We don't know how many dollars it's increasing by, but we know it's increasing by 5%. Okay, so the question that we need to ask is, we don't need a 3 there. So what is 5% of 2280? So referring back to question one, her monthly take-home pay is 2280. So in question two, okay, well, there's a 5% increase on her monthly pay. So let's say she's getting a raise. She's getting a 5% raise. How many dollars is that raise? Okay, well, what is 5% of 2280? I'll pull up the calculator. So for 5% of 2280, well, 5%, well, that's a number, 0.05. The word of, this always translates to multiplication. And, well, 2280, that's already a number, 2280. So if we, that should be a 0. If we want to know what is 5% of 2280, well, we'll multiply 0.05 times 2280. Okay, so that's an increase of $114. So how much will she be able to save per month after the increase? Well, if I go back to problem one, she was able to save $655. Her expenses are the same, but she's making more money. So she's able to save that $655 plus the additional $114 that she's making. So that 5% raise, that equates to $114 extra per month. So she was making $655 with an additional $114. So now she's making, turn the pencil back on. So now she's making $769 after expenses. So she was able to save the $655 originally plus an extra $114. That $114 is coming from here. So that extra 5% becomes $114, and that extra $114 means she could save a total of $769 per month.